In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CD cover with Canva, a fantastic tool that makes design accessible and fun for everyone. Whether you're designing for a music project, a podcast, or just a personal collection, creating a striking CD cover can really make your work stand out. Let's dive into the simple steps to create a beautiful and custom CD cover in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. In the search bar at the top of the page, type CD cover. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for CD covers. You'll see an array of options, each with its unique style and aesthetic. Take a moment to browse through these templates, and when you find one that captures the vibe you're going for, click on it. This will open up the template, giving you a closer look at the design. Once you've selected a template, click on Customize this template. This is where the real fun begins. You can change the text to suit the content of your CD. Simply click on the text box to edit and type in the title, artist name, or any other details you'd like to include. You can also change the font, size, and color to better match your desired aesthetic. If the background doesn't fit your theme, you can change it by selecting a different image or color that aligns with your vision. To further personalize your design, navigate to the Upload section on the left-hand menu. Here, you can upload your own images or artwork. Once uploaded, it's simply a matter of dragging and dropping the image onto your template. This allows you to incorporate custom artwork or any personal images you want to use. After placing your image, right-click on it to bring up more options. From here, you can click on Replace Background, and your uploaded image will seamlessly fill the entire template background. This feature can radically transform the appearance of your CD cover, helping it speak to your audience and convey the essence of your content. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've created a unique, eye-catching CD cover using Canva. Remember, you can always go back and make tweaks or adjustments to your design until it's just right. Don't forget to download your finished design in your preferred format so it's ready for printing or sharing digitally. Canva's intuitive platform really makes it easy to let your creativity flourish while taking your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.